Hello everyone, C-Shake here. Another lockpick. So this, branded True Value, clearly Master Lock number 3 clone. This was originally the second lock I ever picked, back in 2006 or so. Found this a lot more interesting than number 3 for kind of an unusual reason, expecting it to be a clone. So if I go through here, finding, get better grip on that, front, clicks, false set, unexpected for that. I'll make it a spool or something. Where is it? Fix that. Number 1, decent amount of rotation. Click again. Go back to 3. And there we go. So this was a little surprising. This has, I think, that's 2 spools. Could be, could not be, could just be horrible machining tolerances. Not sure. But anyway, thanks for watching.